Hey, if your vehicle do this when you want to start it, then it's time to replace the battery. Well, in this vehicle, first you're gonna have to open the hood, which is right there. Right here in the middle is the latch. Open the hood. And here's the battery. Now we're gonna test it. Now I'm gonna use this tester. Shout outs to Top Dawn. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna connect these clamps, negative with negative. Positive with positive. This is gonna turn on. Battery tester. It tells you the voltage, 10.44 volts, which means it's dying. Now the battery, you see this number right here, CCA. That's 500, right? We're gonna input that number here. Just press enter. And battery test, enter. Regular flooded, enter. CCA, enter. Now with this, we're gonna put the right number, 500, right? Scroll down. Now we press enter. It's testing the battery. Charge retest. Healthy 29%. Charge 0%. Healthy 29%, which is less than half. You might as well just replace the battery, right? You don't want to break down in the middle of your way to work or to your house. So we're gonna replace the battery. Now to remove this guy right here. Oh, you don't need this. Usually it's kind of difficult to remove. In this case, he broke down. That's what we're doing now. Okay. I'm gonna use a 10 millimeters deep socket. Okay, 10 millimeter deep socket. Hit this guy right here. Hit this guy right here. I'm gonna hit this guy right here. Just enough to remove the hook from the bottom, like so. On this side there's another hook too. Now we'll remove this. Now we'll remove this. Now we'll remove this. You have to pay attention though, because positive is over there, negative is that way. Okay. It's good if you have one of these clamps. Just like that. Now this is a new one. He has a handle. You need a clamp. And we're gonna put it right here. This hooks back. So now we just tied it. Make sure it's not shaking. I'm gonna test it again just for the sake. $12.53. It's not bad. It's supposed to be $12.16. Florida, CCA. This one says 500. So it's 500. Enter. Good battery. Charge 88%. Healthy 100%. Out of this, we go to the driver's side. Start the car. There you go. Alright. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, do the same with the share button, the feedback put in the comment box for me. Yeah, me. Let it run for a minute just to catch up. Alright. Thank you for the support, thank you for the help, thank you for the love. To all my subscribers, followers, viewers. Alright, where would I be without y'all? Thank y'all. And I leave it right here. Alright, destroy, hit, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback put in the comment box. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Estuvo por un